Hello everyone! Start off by taking a section of the hair from the top and then make two divisions out of the section. Twist one over the other and then as you proceed with this, include more and more sections of the hair into it and then continue to twist one section over the other. Now taking a section from the back, begin to make a braid out of the three sections that you now have. Continue including sections of the hair more into it and then continue creating the braid until you reach the bottom. Roll it up. Next, divide the hair into 4 parts, add multiple rubber bands to the bottom sections, and then join it to the top. In the top ponytails, add a bun stick, roll the hair around it, and then adjust it as a bun. Make multiple sections in the front portion of the hair, tie a ponytail out of each of these sections. Then, roll each of these sections in on itself, and then add a strand of thread into it. Using the thread as sections in a braid, make 2 sections out of the thread, and then use one section of the hair, and then make a braid out of it. Join it all in a ponytail. Start off by tying a ponytail and then take a bun stick, wrap the ponytail around this bun stick and then roll it up. Adjust the hair around the bun stick as such accordingly. Add a decorative rubber band to it once you are done. Take a section from the top, make a section out of it, add a rubber band and then make multiple sections as such. Add multiple rubber bands. At the back, tie a low ponytail, roll the hair in on itself and divide the hair into 2 sections. Now taking the initial sections that you have created, join it with the section at the back and make 2 braids. Start off by tying a ponytail and then add twine to the hair. Wrap the hair around this hair twine and then roll the hair up by twisting it around it. Wrap it into a bun, adjust the extras accordingly and then adjust the decorative piece accordingly as well. Take a section from the front, add a rubber band to it, right underneath it add 2 more sections. At the base, begin to braid the hair, tie a rubber band at the bottom once you're done. Next, tie a ponytail and then add multiple decorative braids to it. Thank you for watching.